Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we are going to solve chapter 1. Chapter name is Knowing Our Numbers, Self Practice Exercise Questions 1E, Questions 1 to 6 of Self Practice 1E. Chapter 1, chapter name is Knowing Our Numbers of Class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other states board. And if you like this video, then please click the like button. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 6, self-practice 1E, and chapter name is Knowing Our Numbers, and topic is estimation of numbers and rounding of numbers. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 1. Question number 1 is round up to the nearest 10. First bit is 57. The number 57. We have to round these numbers 57 to the nearest 10. Here in 57, the unit place digit is 7. Unit place digit is 7. And 7 is greater than 5. And 7 is greater than 5. So we have to just add 1 with the tens place digit. 5 plus 1. Tens place digit is 5. Is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And just write down 0 in the unit place digit. This 7 changes to 0. 7 changes to 0. So 57 rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 60. That is 60. So 57 rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. Now question number second bit B, 84. 84 rounded up to the nearest 10. We have to round up this number 84 to the nearest 10. In 84, the unit place digit is 4, which is less than 5. So don't add 1 to the tens place digit and just write down the tens place digit as it is. That is, don't change 8 to 9, 8 plus 1. So just write down the tens place digit, that is 8. And the unit place digit, in unit place digit, just write 0. That is 4 changes to 0. So 84 rounded off to the nearest 10 will be 80. Now question number fourth bit D, 869. We have to round up this number 869 to the nearest 10. When we round up to the nearest 10, just look at the unit place digit. Here unit place digit is 9, which is more than 5. So just add 1 with the tens place digit. That is, here tens place digit is 6. So 6 changes to 6 plus 1, that is 7. And this 9 changes to 0. So unit place digit changes to 0. So 9 changes to 0. So 869, and just write down the 100 place digit as it is. That is 8. Don't change 8. So just write down 8 in 100 place digit. And 69 rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 7. 6 changes to 7. 6 plus 1, 7. And 9 changes to 0. That is unit place digits. Write down in unit place 0. So 869 rounded up to the nearest 10 is 870. Now question number 5th bit E, 4539. We have to round up this number 4539 to the nearest 10. When we round up the number to the nearest 10, just look at the unit place digit. Here unit place digit is 9 and 9 is more than 5. So just add 1 to the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 3. So 3 changes to 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And just write down 0 in unit place digit, that is 9 changes to 0. So 39 rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 40. So 9 changes to 0. So 4000 and 100 place digit, write down in 100 place digit as it is and 1000 place digit as it is. That is, don't change 4 and 5 in 1000 and 100 place digit. Just write down 45 in 1000 and 100 place digit, 4 and 5. And this 3 changes to 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 9, write down 0 in unit place digit. So 4540. So rounded off to the nearest 10, 4539 will be 4540. Now question number FB, 8894. Round off this number to the nearest 10. When we round off to the number to the nearest 10, just look at the unit place digit. Here unit place digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. So just write down the in tens place digit as it is, that is 9. Don't add 1 to the tens place digit. Just write down 9 as it is. And this 4 unit place digit change to 0. Just write down 0 in unit place digit. So 94 rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 90. And just write down this 1000 place digit and 100 place digit as it is. So 8 and 8, don't change this 1000 and unit place digit. Just write down 88 in 1000 and 100 place digit. And 94, this 9 change to 9 only. Just write down 9. And 4 changes to 0. So 8890. So 8894 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 8890. Now G bit, 6397 rounded off to the nearest 10. We have to round it off to the nearest 10, 6397. When we round off to the nearest 10, the number, first look at the unit place digit. Here unit place digit is 7. 7 is more than 5. So just add 1 to the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 9. So 9 changes to 9 plus 1. That is 10. And just write down 0 in unit place digit. That is 7 changes to 0. And just write down the 1000 and 100 place digit as it is. That is 6 and 3 as it is. And this 9 changes to 10. 10. So this 10 in tens place digit, here 1, add with the 1000 place digit. Add 1 to the tens place digit, 100 place digit, that is 3. Here 3. 63 changes to 63 plus 1. This 1 add with 63, that is 64. And this 7 6400 0, and this 7 changes to 0. So 6400. This is the number. So rounded off to the number 6397 to the nearest 10 is 6400. Here tens place digit is 9. So 9 change to 9 plus 1, that is 10. Here 1 is carryover. So just add 1 to the 100 place digit, that is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And this 1000 place digit, write down this 6 as it is. And 6 here. And this 3 plus 1 is 4. And this 0 in 100, in 10, 9 plus 1 is 10. This 0, just write down 0. And this 7 change to 0, that is unit place digit, write down in unit place digit 0. So just 6397 rounded up to the nearest 10 is 6400. Now H bit, 82035 rounded up to this number to the nearest 10. When we round up to the number to the nearest 10, Just look at the unit place digit. Here unit place digit is 5, which is more than 5. So just add 1 with the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 3. So 3 changes to 3 plus 1, which is 4. And write down 0 in unit place digit. That is 5 changes to 0. So just write down in 10,000 place digit 8 and 1000 place digit 2 and this 100 place digit 0 and this 3 changes to 4. That is 3 plus 1 is 4 and 5 changes to 0. So 82,040. 82,035 rounded up to the nearest 10 is 82,040. Now I bit 71,298 rounded up to, this number 71,298 to the nearest 10. When we round up to the number nearest 10, first look at the unit place digit. Here unit place digit is 8. 8 is more than 5. So just add 1 with the tens place digit. So 9. This 9 tens place digit is 9. 9 changes to 9 plus 1, which is 10. And add 1 to the carryover, and this carryover 1 with the 100 place digit. Here 100 place digit is 2. So 2 changes to 2 plus 1. Here this carryover 1 add with 2, 100 place digit. 2 plus 1 is 3. So just write down the 10,000 place digit 7 and 1000 place digit 1 as it is, and this 2 changes to 3, that is 2 plus carryover 1 in 10, that is carryover 1 plus 2, 100 place digit 2, that is 3, and this 9 changes to here 10, here carryover 1 and this 0. So just write down 0, and this 8 changes to unit place digit. Write down in unit place digit 0. 8 changes to 0. So 71,298 rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 71,300. Now J bit 20,193 rounded up to the nearest 10. We have to round up this number 20,193 to the nearest 10. When we round up to the number to the nearest 10, just look at the unit place digit. Here unit place digit is 3. 3 is less than 5. So just write down unit place digit 0 and tens place digit as it is. That is 9 changes to 9 only. Don't add 1 to the tens place digit because the unit place digit is less than 5. Just write down tens place digit as it is, and this 3, that is unit place digit, write down in unit place digit 0. So and 10,000 place digit, write down 10,000 place digit as it is, and 1000 place digit as it is, that is 0, and 100 place digit 1, and this 9, don't add 1 with 9. So just write down 9 as it is, and this 3 in unit place digit, just write down 0. So 20,193 rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 20,190. Now question number 2, round up to the nearest 100. First bit A, 624. We have to round up this number 624 to the nearest 100. When we round up the number to the nearest 100, first look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 2, which is less than 5. So just write down the 100 place digit as it is, that is 6. Don't add 1 with the 100 place digit. Just write down 6 as it is, 100 place digit, and just write down 0 in tens place digit and write down 0 in unit place digit. So 624 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be 600. Now question number second bit B, 136. We have to round up this number 136 to the nearest 100. When we round up a number to the nearest 100, first look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 3, which is less than 5. So just Write down tens place digit as it is, that is 1. In hundred place digit as it is 1, and just write down 3 changes to 0. Write down 0 in tens place digit and write down 0 in unit place digit, that is 6 changes to 0, and this tens place digit 3 changes to 0. So 136 rounded off to the nearest 100 will be 100. So 136 rounded up to the nearest 100 is 100. Now third bit C, 2095. We have to round up this number 2095 to the nearest 100. When we round up a number to the nearest 100, first look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 9, which is more than 5. So just add 1 to the 100 place digit, that is 0 changes to 0 plus 1, that is 1. And this 1000 place digit as it is, that is 2. Write down 2 in 1000 place digit is 2 only, and this 0 changes to 1, and write down 0 in tens place digit, that is 9 changes to 0, and this unit place digit, write down 0 in unit place digit, that is 5. Unit place digit 5 changes to 0. So 2095 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be 2000. This 1000 place digit as it is 2, and this 0 changes to 1, 0 plus 1, and this 9 changes to 0. Tens place digit, write down tens place digit 0 and unit place digit 0. So 2100. So 2095 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 2100. Now D bit 4053. We have to round up this number 4053 to the nearest 100. When we round up the number, any number to the nearest 100, just look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 5, which is equal to 5. So just add 1 to the 100 place digit, that is 0 changes to 0 plus 1, that is 1. And write down 0 in tens place digit, that is 5 changes to 0, and this unit place digit changes to 0, that is 3 changes to 0. And just write down 1000 place digit as it is, that is 4. Just write down 4 only. So 4053 rounded off to the nearest 100 will be just in 1000 place digit 4, and this 0 changes to 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and this 5 changes to 0, 3 changes to 0. So 4100. So 4053 rounded off to the nearest 100 will be 4100. Now E bit 5974. 5974 rounded up to the nearest 100. We have to round up this number 5974 to the nearest 100. When we round up a number to the nearest 100, just look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 7, which is more than 5. So just add 1 to the 100 place digit, that is 9. Here 100 place digit is 9. 9 changes to 9 plus 1, which is 10. 1 is carry over. Just add 1 with the 1000 place digit, that is 5. This 1000 place digit 5 add with carry over 1, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. And just write down 0, this 0, and write down tens place digit and unit place digit. In tens place digit 0 and unit place digit 0. So 5974 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be this 1000 plus 5 changes to 5 plus 1, 6, this 6, and this 9, this 0, tens place digit and carry over 1, add with this 1000 place digit 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and this 0, 0, and 7 changes to 0. Tens place digit, write down tens place digit 0 and unit place digit 0. So 6000. So 5974 rounded off to the nearest 100 will be 6000. Now F bit 20809. Round off this number 20,809 to the nearest hundred. When you round off any number to the nearest hundred, first look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 0 and 0 is less than 5. Just write down 8 as it is, that is 100 place digit 8, and this 1000 place digit 0, just write down 0, and 10,000 place digit as it is, that is 2, and this 8, write down 8, and tens place digit 0, write down 0 in tens place, and unit place digit 0. So 20,809 rounded up to the nearest hundred will be 20,800. Now G bit 18,994. Round up this number 18,994 to the nearest hundred. When we round off any number to the nearest hundred, just look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 9, which is more than 5. So just add 1 to the hundred place digit, that is 9. This hundred place digit is 9. 9 changes to 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. In 10, 1 is carry over. So just 1, add 1, this carry over 1 with the thousand place digit, that is 8. This 8 changes to 8 plus 1, that is 9, and write down 10,000 place digit as it is, that is 1 as it is, and this 8 changes to 9, and this 9, in 9 this write down this 0, 0, and this 10's place digit, write down 10's place digit 0, and unit place digit 0. So 18,994 rounded up to the nearest hundred will be 19,000. Now H bit 79,992. Round up this number 79,992 to the nearest hundred. When we round up a number to the nearest hundred, just look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 9. So just and 9 is greater than 5. 9 is more than 5. So just add 1 to the hundred place digit. Here hundred place digit is 9. 9 changes to 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. And 10 in 1 is carry over. So just add 1 to the thousand place digit. Here thousand place digit is 9. So 9 changes to 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Here in 10, 1 is carry over. So just add 1, carry over 1 with the 10,000 place digit, that is 7. 10,000 place digit 7 changes to 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 7 changes to 8, and 9, this 0, 8, and this 0, and this 0, and this 10th place digit write down 9 changes to 0. 10th place digit is 0, and write down 0 in unit place digit, that is 2 changes to 0. So 80,000. So 79,992 rounded off to the nearest hundred is 80,000. Now I bit 69,925. Round up to this number to the nearest hundred. When we round up a number to the nearest hundred, just look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 2, which is less than 5. So just write down 9 in hundred place digit as it is, that is 9. Just write down 9 as it is, and this thousand place digit write down thousand place digit as it is 9, and this 10,000 place digit as it is, that is 6, and this 9, just write down 9, and this 2 tens place digit, in tens place digit write down 0, and unit place digit write down 0. So this 2 changes to 0 and 5 changes to 0. So 69,900. So 69,925 rounded up to the nearest hundred will be 69,900. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.